Hello everyone. So today we are going to see this question, top k frequent element. So given an integer array num and integer k, we have to return the k most frequent element. You may return answer in any order. So here we have given the array. So let's see. So how many times 1 is there in this array? 3 times. 2 is occur, the frequency of 2 is 2 and 3 frequency is 1. Now we have to return the k most frequent elements. So what are that means k is 2. So we have to return the k elements which is having the most frequency. So here we can see 1 and 2. These are the two elements which is having the frequency greater. That means highest. So 1 has a 3 and 2 has a 2 frequency and k is equal to 2. If k is equal to 3, then we have to take all 3. If k is equal to 1, then we will take only 1, right? So as in this case 1, only 1 is present and k is 1, so it will be there. Now let us see how can we solve this question. So here we'll use here a hash map first. So hash map of integer comma integer hm equals to new hash map. So for integer I equals to 0 to I is less than nums dot length, then I plus plus will store in the hash map hm dot put nums of I, and here we'll use hm dot get or default nums of I comma 0 plus 1. So what will happen here? First it will go to the 1. So 1 is not there, so it will be stored into 1 comma 0 in the hash map. Then it will go to this one. So here 1 is already present, so it will see get or default. So it is firstly, here I have written wrong, it will be stored in the 1 because earlier there was no frequency of 1 at the time of putting this element into the hash map. Nums of I, this will be 1, and there is no 1 is not present in the earlier in the hash map, so its frequency will give 0 plus 1, so 1 comma 1 will be stored. Then after that it will go to the 2, then it will see nums of I is already here and its frequency is 1, and in that frequency again 1 will be added and it will be updated to 2. Then it will go to the third, so it will see its previous frequency is 2, now it will be modified and it will be added 1, so 1 frequency will be 3. Now it will go to the 2. 2 is not present in the hash map, so 2 will be gone here and 0 plus 1, it's 1. Now it will go to the 2, so 2 is present, so it will be taken here and in that frequency it will add 1, so 2 comma 2. Then it will go to the 3 and 3 comma 1 will be here. So what will be the here? 1 frequency will be 3, 2 frequency will be 1 frequency 3, 2 frequency 2 and 3 is 1. So this will be the hash map. Right? Now here what I will do, I will create here a priority queue of map dot entry of integer comma integer pq equals to new priority. I will take this down, new priority queue, and here we'll have keys as e1 comma e2 and we'll sort according to the frequency, that means values of the numbers. So e2 dot get value minus e1 dot get value. So what happened here, let's suppose we got hash map in the order 2, its frequency 2, 3 its frequency 1, and 1 its frequency 3, and k is 2. But you want in which order? In the most frequent. So I will use here, we will use here a priority queue. So in the priority queue, why we are writing this? This is a entry present in the map, and according to the values we'll sort in the decreasing order. Now after storing this into the priority queue, this entries is the priority queue. So what will be there in the priority queue? 1, 3, 2, 2, and 3, 1. So it will be in the decreasing order of the frequency of the elements. So that's why I have written here. Now how to add these map entries in the priority queue? So pq dot add all, we have to use hm dot entry set here. So in the priority queue, it will be stored according to the decreasing order of the frequency. Now we will create array arr equals to new int of size k. Then what we will do? While pq dot size is not equal to 0, and here I will take count, int count, and count is not equal to k. Now in this array we will store, so array of count, here I will map dot entry of integer comma integer e equals to pq dot poll, then array of count equal to e dot get key and count plus plus, and we have to return arr. So I will explain this. First of all, let us run and see whether it is working or not. Here count, so we have to initialize with the 0. Let us see now by running this code. It is running. Now let us see by submitting. It is submitted successfully. Now let us see how this will work. So let's suppose we have a map in the order 3 frequency is 1, 2 frequency is 2, and 1 frequency is 3. So this map entries will store into the priority queue. So in the priority queue, how it will be stored? It will be stored in the decreasing order of frequency of the numbers. So it will be stored like 1 frequency 3 and 2 frequency 2 and 3 frequency 1 in the decreasing order of their frequency in the priority queue. So after that we are creating the array of size k. Then while here we are initializing count with 0, and while count is not equal to k and pq dot size is not equal to 0, so we'll poll. So after polling, this will become, this entry will come here, right? This entry will come here. So its key will be 1. So in the array of 0 will be 1. Now it will be deleted from, after polling means it will be deleted from the priority queue. Now it will see again. Now count value will be incremented to 1. So 1 is equal to k? No. K's value is 2. 1 is not equal to k. Then again it will go into the this while loop. Now again next this 2, 2 entry will be poll, and 2 will be stored at arr of 1. ARR of 1 and that will be 2. So count value now it will become 2 and this condition will be false. So we will terminate from this while loop and our answer will be 1 comma 2. Here we can see 1 comma 2 will become into our answer we are returning from here. So this is a way by using hash map and priority queue we can solve this question. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.